Introducing the Lisle 69910 Turbo Air System Test Kit with Smoke Adapter. The kit helps locate air leaks in components by plugging the output side of the turbo and the intake inlet. Features a pressure gauge, shutoff valve, and the pressure regulator. The kit includes 6 pairs of stepped adapters to fit most turbo systems on cars and light trucks. It can also be used on some cooling system hoses. The kit also includes a T-adapter for connecting smoke machines. To use the tool, select the correct size of adapters and place it into the hoses. Tighten the clamp, making sure it's behind the ridge on the adapter. Turn the regulator pressure all the way down, pull the cap out, and turn counterclockwise. Place the T-adapter between the air regulator hose and the air fitting adapter. Plug the air supply line into the air regulator, making sure the air valve is closed. Connect the smoke machine to the T-adapter. Leave the air shut off and turn on the smoke to fill the system. Turn off the smoke. Make sure the smoke valve is closed to avoid getting air back into the smoke machine. Open the air valve and adjust the regulator to recommended PSI, typically 20 to 25 PSI. Any visible smoke will pinpoint the leak location. Close the air valve. If the pressure drops, a spray bottle with water can be used to locate the leak. Remove the air hose and open the air valve to release the pressure. Remove the regulator from the adapter, remove the adapters, and reconnect the turbo lines. The Lisle 69910 Turbo Air System Test Kit with Smoke Adapter.